Hi there, this is Sharon Brolio, and today we're going to talk about how to make a headline a clickable link. And we're going to be using ClickFunnels to do this. So the first thing that you need to do is go to your ClickFunnels account and log in, and go up to the top, put your cursor on Funnels, and click on Browse Funnels. What that's going to do is take you down to the bottom, and you'll be able to choose from any of the funnels that you have that you want to edit and make a clickable headline. So I'm going to use this one, Help for Online Marketers, and I'm going to click on Edit. And then I'm going to click on my Strategies page, scroll down and click on Edit Page. And it's going to load the editor. And as soon as it loads up, then we're going to make a clickable headline. So the very first thing that we've got going on here is it says add new element. So I'm going to click on that. And as you see, it's got a whole bunch of different things that you can choose from. You can scroll down here and you can pick from anything that you want, but we're going to work on headline, and we're going to click on that and add to page. So now we have a new headline, and obviously I don't want it to say brand new headline to edit, so I'm going to go ahead and click on it until this comes up, and you will not be able to change anything here until you get this blue bar. So just left click and just kind of move it around until that comes up. So I'm going to put my headline in there, delete this one, and I'm going to type in what I want. Okay, so now I have it in there, and I'm going to highlight this. And if you want to bold it, now's the time to do it. And you just go up to this B and click on the B, and that will bold it. Or if you want to italicize it, you can do that as well. Position it on your page. This is where you would do it. And now what I'm going to do is go to this little link right here. And I have it. I'm going to highlight it. Before I do that, I'm going to show you what happens if you don't highlight it and you go up to this little link. If you go to the link, you see it's blinking. So if it blinks, what that's doing is telling you that you haven't highlighted it. So I'm just going to highlight it again, go back to this link, and now we have a blank box here. So what I have to do is go retrieve the URL for whatever I want to put in there. I may be wanting to send somebody to my ebook. I could send them to a blog. I could send them to an ad, to another web page, whatever you want. But you need to gather the URL for wherever you're going to send them to. So I have a URL. I put it on a sticky note, and I'm going to copy that. And instead of using right click on my mouse, I'm going to do Control C for copy. And then I'm going to go back in here, highlight this again. Click on that little link, you've got it. And now you're going to go over here and get rid of that pound. So you're going to backspace and do Control V as in Victor. ClickFunnels does not respond to a right click on your mouse for copying and pasting. They want you to use Control C for copying, Control V as in Victor for pasting. So that's what I've done there. Now, as you also notice, this is in blue, and I don't want it blue, I want it black. So I'm going to click on this, and it's going to bring up this little plus sign that you can move all over, and it's going to change the color. However, I want mine black, so I'm going to go into this blue as far as I can. And you notice over here it has the intensity. So I'm going to click on the bottom, which is black, and now it changed to black, and just click off of it. Now you can see that it's way too big. I want it all on one line, so now I'm going to go to the edit bay and edit it. So I'm going to make sure that I have the orange square around it, not square, but the orange outline around it, and click on the clog, click on the cog, and it's going to bring up the edit bay over here. I'm going to go into configuration and go down to font size. Now you can change the font either by clicking on the down arrow to make it smaller or the up arrow to make it bigger, or you can highlight this and simply choose whatever size you want, and that works really well. So now you see it's much smaller, it's all on one line. Now I'm going to go down to styles where it says styles here. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to go into Google Font. If you click on the down arrow, you're going to see you can move this scroll bar and you've got a ton of different fonts here, but I'm going to use Able. So now this is changed, and in order for that to work, I have to save what I've done. So now I've saved it, and now I'm going to go into preview. And you'll know that it's clickable because this line will come up. If it's not clickable, if it hasn't worked, that line will not be there. So I'm going to click on that line, or on that title rather, and here is my PDF file. So people can read it, print it out, whatever they want. I'm going to click on the back arrow. It's going to bring it back to the page. So like if I wanted to go into any one of these, it could take me to that, and you can navigate from there. But I just wanted to show you how to make any headline a clickable link. And there's a couple of things you need to really pay attention to. One is you must highlight it in order for it to be a clickable link. I'm going to go back up to my tabs here and click on my Facebook Essentials page so it brings me to my edit. But you must click on this and highlight it in order for it to, and you've got to get that blue bar up there. So you just keep clicking, but you have to highlight it in order for this link to work. And the other thing is that you must use Control-C and Control-V in order to make it a clickable link in ClickFunnels, because they will not accept a right click on your mouse to copy and paste. So I hope that you have found this of value, and I have lots more to bring you, and I look forward to seeing you again on the next video. Bye for now.